Wow.
Let's go.
Okay, so where should we meet? Because I don't know where to be.
Oh crap, I don't even know. I don't know this map. Okay, there's like a boat in the middle of the map. I think we should.
Okay, hold on.
But I don't know if the killer's gonna be there.
There's a house in the middle. Oh shit.
Who's this?
Ah! Ah!
Oh shoot. Is that you over there?
Up in the boat? Yep.
You're in the boat.
I was just being followed. There's two boats.
So is that you right there? Are you the one running right there?
Not anymore. I'm hiding now behind a box.
Right here.
Was that you?
Yeah. Okay, okay.
Like,
I saw the Asian girl
following
over
me
there.
earlier. And she was following me earlier.
Okay, we can fix this. Ooh.
Hey, she's coming.
Ooh! Dip! She's not even doing anything. She's hitting the generator.
Hey, she is. I think she's new too, or he's new, or whoever's that. Yeah.
He's a
I see
noob.
him.
Ooh.
Hey, are you really close to him? Is that you?
No, that's the Asian girl. I'm the black girl.
Oh, wait, the Asian girl's right next to is to my left. Are you the one to my right? I'm up in the little hill. Where,
Look,
like the
look to your
trees are
right.
at?
Look to your right.
Okay, yeah, I see you, I see you. Dude, where is she going? Where is she?
I have
You
no
still by the
idea.
generator?
Oh! I'm out! Ooh, she's right behind me! Juked! Juked! Ah! Juked again! Juked again! Oh! You can't get me! Oh! Why is she not hitting me? What kind of monster is this? Is she gonna hit me or what? Where'd she go? What?
Help! Help! I'll wiggle my way out.
Where's she?
I'm
Doesn't show me where you are.
Check this out, check this out. Yeah, boy!
Shoot.
Run! Hey, you
What
got
is
any,
this
like,
Asian
attack?
girl doing? You know what? Screw you. Can't do anything right.
What's a cleanse totem?
She has a toolbox, but she doesn't know how to fix it.
Really, nigga?
Hey, where are you?
Exactly.
DJ, where are you?
I'm on the generator where we first shoot.
Oh, the first generator? Okay.
Yeah, the first generator.
I see her.
Shoot.
Hey, I think you should run.
Why, where's she?
Doesn't she see that?
Dang, she's blind as a bat. Oh, fuck! Ooh! Shoot, why did I show myself? Where's she at?
Hey, distract her. Don't go back. Hey, hello wiggle, bro.
I can't wiggle, I was right under the hook.
Check this out.
She's baby.
Check this out.
Run! Run! I got you, fam. Oh!
Hey, bro, help
You see me,
out.
right? You see me?
Yeah, I see you.
I'm gonna get you one.
Ow. Hey, she's on the generator again.
I don't give a... I would just go!
Go.
I don't give a... It's a fake, don't worry about it. She's still
I'll
around.
cover you from up here.
Oh, yeah, cover me! Hey, you can help me up.
No. Oh, I can? Is she?
Yeah, just sneak over here.
I got you.
Okay, let me heal.
Alright, let's
Okay.
go help the others.
It's a fake!
It's so scary! Like we're all dead.
Is that
Oh,
her?
she's to our left. She's to our left.
Yeah.
To our left. You see her?
Oh my gosh. She's getting someone else. Ah, okay.
Should we help? Oh, sorry.
I got her. Or him.
Hey, while you do that, I'm gonna go to the generator.
I'm trying to help you.
Oh, no, never mind.
She got the Asian.
Okay. Go. Help.
Shoot! Shoot!
Oh no.
Run!
Ah!
She's coming.
Shoot, bro, shoot! Get up! Get up!
Me.
Go! I got you. Oh shoot! You're leading us! You're leading her right to us! Woo! What? How do you know? Keep juking her! Keep juking her!
Oh my gosh. Go
Hey,
here.
stay recovering.
You're all gonna get...
You need someone else to help you up. Trying to help this person.
Hey, she's just mocking us now.
Can I recover him?
Wow. I got
Check
you.
this out.
I got you.
I got this. Hey, make it block him. Block his way. Can you block him?
I'll make a distraction. I'm a fidget spinner.
Hey, check this out. Yes!
Run! Run! Get out of here!
Go!
Ah, she's picking me up. Just hide. Just hide. What is this?
He's just playing.
She's
with
picking
you.
me up and dropping me.
He's like playing with
What a
you.
douche. What is this?
You can't get out.
What is this foolery?
You can't get. You're stuck.
I got everybody. Jay, come on. You got this.
Go! I'm wiggling as fast as I can.
Go!
Yes! Get out of here! Screw you! Take the L, bro. Take the L. I'm going in the boat. I don't give a crap. She just didn't give a crap.
Really, nigga?
Shit. Ling Ling didn't even repair this.
Hey,
And
Ling
she
Ling's
has-
using it
yeah.
right now.
Ling Ling has a toolbox.
Yeah. He's using it right now, don't worry. I think she is.
She doesn't know how to fix it though. Dude, we only got
Where'd
one
it go?
generator. She's all the way over
where'd it
there. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Let's go. What? Why you
Now
at
help me
the
with the first one.
Is that you over there? She's at the first generator.
Yeah, I know, I left. Where are you?
At the first generator. Shit! Ah!
Yeah, you
I thought it was a fake!
Oh no.
What are you doing?
Oh, he's running.
Ah, she's gonna get you now. Oh wow, she's dropping me
Did she
and
hook you?
she's dropping me and picking me up. Oh my god,
There's no
she's so
escape.
annoying.
There's no escape.
She's just dropping me and picking me up. Take this L. Get out of here.
Hey, I'm right there.
Where'd she go? She
Hey,
ran?
She went to the right. Hey, let's go this way. Go left. You went right.
No, I know you are.
Hey, heal me and I'll heal you.
Oh, I guess not.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, sorry.
Dude, just 3 more generators. Okay, Ling Ling, I think that's... Oh my gosh, it's not letting me heal you. Why is it doing that? Okay,
Maybe uncrouch?
there you go.
Alright. Let's go get the other generator.
You off. Oh, hey, Ling Ling. Ling Ling's with me.
Hey. Hold on. He's gonna... Oh yeah! He evaded.
Okay. Dang, we're so good. Okay, I left Ling...
Did I escape? But can you help me out?
Where you at?
I found one of the generators. First... Oh my god, I'm being chased again.
Ooh, she's in that boat.
Yeah, she's running to me.
Hey! Hey, don't go over here. I got you. Don't even fuss.
Alright, watch. Hey, is she gonna pick me up and drop me?
She's gonna walk this way. Got you, fam. I got you, fam. I'm just going for it.
Hey, I got it. It's fine. I'm wiggling ready.
Okay.
Hey,
Dude, if only I had the flat, let's get out of here. I'm dipping. Oh, is she following me?
Hey, no, she's following both of us.
Oh crap, we gotta get out of here. No, she's getting me, bros. She's getting me.
Oh, she is?
She's getting me, bros. She's fast. Yo, she's getting for it.
God.
Woo, she knows my ways.
You went back.
Hey, can you come to me? Yeah, just keep going straight. Oh no, never mind.
The hook is right there. She's dumb, bro.
He wants to go to the other one.
You have no.
Hey,
Oh,
let
there's a
him-
generator. That. Oh shoot. Come on, wiggle. Take this L.
Did you already leave?
How?
Hey, there's no time limit to this.
She's not gonna know that I'm a fidget spinner right now.
Ah!
Oh my gosh. I don't know
Hey,
what
you
this
want
dude is doing. She's trying to hit the chest, but you can't hit chest. Take this L and leave me alone.
Go this way. Okay, yeah.
That sounds so wrong.
Hey, one of the generators gotta hit. Hey, there's one right here, by the way, too. Hey,
Wow, you screwed up.
hey, shut up. Can she hear that?
Yeah, she can hear that.
He doesn't know we're here, though. She probably thought we left.
There's a guy running from her though. Over there.
Where? I don't see.
Cool.
Wait, alright, there's a generator here, so we'll use it. Hold, I think right here.
I saw a generator near the boat.
There's one right here, too.
Let's not screw this up.
Yeah, try not to. Hey, we almost got it.
No,
Yeah.
just one more.
Don't mess it up. We almost got it. We got it.
Let's go.
Hey,
Okay, there's one near the boat. I saw it when she picked me up.
hey, she's coming.
She's going to the generator we just fixed.
Alright, there's one near the boat.
Yeah.
Oh, we haven't finished. Oh no, we have.
There's a chest in here.
Did we finish ours?
I better get a flashlight.
Hey, we didn't finish ours. The first one.
Yes, I got a toolbox. Let's go.
Alright, help me out here then. First one. Good.
I'm already at a generator though. In the boat.
Hmm? Yeah, where I am.
You're in the first one?
Yeah.
That's all the way
One
over
of them.
there.
Help me out, because it's the only one. It's like the last one left. And she's coming. She's right.
She's coming to you guys?
Yeah, she's in the generator. I'm hiding behind the tree. She doesn't even know. Look at Ling Ling.
Ling Ling, what about her?
Ling Ling was like right behind her. It's so funny.
Stupid. Wow. Wait, is Ling Ling being the distraction or like bait?
Yeah. I think
Wow. She's dead? Oh.
No, never mind. No shit.
She got hit. It's the one that's running.
Go! Ah!
I got this.
Hey, I think she's still hitting
Just
it.
keep
Oh
distracting.
no, she's not for me.
Keep distracting her. Why you leading her to me? Oh my gosh. You're leading her to me again?
Go!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Get
there's-
your ugly. What?
What?
She left me.
She's with me now.
Why you keep running over here?
Yeah, boy.
Let's go. This toolbox is hella fast. Ooh, that's so close. Shit!
Go!
Keep going, bros. I don't think
Alright,
she's.
no, she doesn't know where I am right now.
Is she in the boat?
Alright,
still?
I'm gonna go to the generator.
Okay, we're almost done. Oh snap. Robo-stone.
Hey, cover me. I'm almost done right now.
I'm right here.
Here we go!
Which one? This one? Yeah, let's go this one.
Yo, boy!
Yo, we just left Ling Ling, bruh.
Hey, see a Ling Ling?
Oh, Ling Ling right there! Hey, Ling Ling, let's go!
Hey, start heading right here. Hey, she's at. Oh, no. Hey,
Hurry! Ling Ling sacrificed! Ling Ling run! Oh snap!
Oh, that's
Dude, she's setting the thing! Ah! Oh, juke him! Get him, just get him! I got you!
Oh! Oh!
Just get him, just get it! Just get it! Go! What? She trapped herself!
we got it!
Let's
go!
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Woo!
Wow.
Let's go!
Wait. Where's Ling Ling?
That's amazing! Yo, that was so fun, man.
Yes!